Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, transportation and humans, a fascinating subject that's been studied extensively by historians and anthropologists for centuries. So, fasten your seatbelts as we navigate through the evolution of human transportation and its significant impact on the world. The evolution of human transportation can be traced back to our early ancestors who used their feet for locomotion. This simple mode of transport was essential for their daily survival and their evolution from nomadic hunter-gatherers to sedentary farmers. The invention of wheels revolutionized transportation. The ancient Sumerians are often credited with the invention, but they might have been inspired by earlier civilizations in Mesopotamia or Egypt. Wheels allowed people to transport goods and commodities over longer distances, facilitating trade and cultural exchange across various regions. Fast forward to the early modern era, the advent of steam engines was a game changer in human transportation. These machines propelled humans into an industrial revolution that gave rise to trains, boats, and eventually planes, all modes of transportation that transformed communication and commerce globally. Trains enabled faster movement of goods over long distances, while ships opened up trade routes between continents, leading to the development of globalized economies. Today, humans have a plethora of transportation options at their disposal: cars, bikes, public transport systems like buses and trains, airplanes for long-distance travel. Even spacecraft are now a reality. But it's crucial to remember that not all modes of human transportation have been beneficial. Environmental concerns such as pollution from cars and planes have become significant issues in recent years. It's essential that we continue to explore alternative forms of transportation that are sustainable and eco-friendly, electric vehicles being one example. In conclusion, human transportation has come a long way since our ancestors walked on 2 feet, from wheels to trains to planes. Each invention opening up new possibilities for trade and cultural exchange while also posing challenges like pollution and sustainability concerns. Let's work together towards finding innovative solutions that keep us moving forward without causing harm to our planet. Thanks for joining me today on this journey through human history. If you found this video interesting or informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more fascinating discussions about humanity and the world around us. Until next time, folks.